I'm sorry, Mom, but I am not eating KFC anymore. You heard that? That's why. I'm a big boy now. And this is definitely cooked. Stop playing. If you like dry chicken, just say that. I like to use garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, and some salt. Then I mix it up, just like that. Then I get some flour and potato starch. You could use cornstarch. Don't complain. Then I get some eggs, and I brown my chicken in salt water for about 30 minutes to 2 hours. Then I season my chicken. Then I get my flour seasoning. You always got to season your flour too. Then I get in the eggs and the flour. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. This is all a part of the cooking process. Make sure you get all that covered in the circumference. Y'all know what I mean. And now let it rest while you heat up your oil. I like to cook it one time on 325 for about like 10 to 12 minutes. And again on 375 for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the size. And I know it doesn't look like I double fried it, but I did. I forgot to include it in the frame. Now I get my butter, seasonings, and some parm after I let it cool down a bit. Y'all all know how to make garlic parm, right? I got y'all, don't worry. Now I mix it up. And if your chicken doesn't look like this, I'm sorry, I don't know what to say. Go back to the drawing board and get it right, all right? Or you down 5 points.